welcome to a demo of the Mirror app. My name is Sidney Madison Prescott, and I'm the founder of Mirror. Today, I'll be walking you through the key features of our iOS app prototype, designed to revolutionize how you choose outfits with the power of global community feedback and AI-driven insights. We begin with the splash screen, which sets the tone for the Mirror experience. This screen features our sleek logo and quickly moves the user into an enhanced splash screen with a tagline that encapsulates our mission to make fashion decisions easier and more enjoyable. The main screen of the Mirror app provides a welcoming and user friendly interface for users to access their accounts. The design is sleek and modern, reflecting the app's focus on fashion and style. After the user logs in, they are taken to the app's home screen. On the home screen, users can quickly access the main features of the app, including the AI stylist, through a clean and intuitive interface. Next, we move to the global feed. Here, users can discover trending outfits, get inspiration from fashion influencers, and see what's popular within the community by looking at the polling metrics of other users. Users can filter posts by categories, making it easier to find outfits that match their style and occasion. The statistics screen in the Mirror app provides users with a comprehensive overview of the metrics and performance of their previous posts. This screen is designed to help users understand the impact of their fashion choices and their engagement within the Mirror community. Now, let's go to the user's profile screen to create a post. By tapping the camera icon in the center of the navigation bar, users can upload a photo of their outfit. They can add a description, tag the occasion, and the clothing brands they are wearing. We are looking at a user's live post after they've uploaded a picture to the app. This outfit is ready for feedback from other users who will click on the blue heart icon if they like the outfit and the red heart icon if they don't like the outfit. Let's check out how one of the user's previous posts is currently performing. Here, we can see a post that is live in the Mirror app and still receiving votes from other users. It looks like this outfit is getting a stamp of approval from the Mirror community. One of the standout features of Mirror is our AI driven insights. After posting an outfit, users receive personalized recommendations based on current fashion trends and their style preferences. The app's AI stylist is affectionately named Dorota. She analyzes each outfit and provides suggestions to enhance the look, whether it's recommending accessories or suggesting alternative outfits. Now that we've seen how our posts are trending and received some style insights from our AI stylist, it's time to go shopping. Here we can see an outfit that was recommended by Dorota. Moving into the catalog screen, users can shop for new clothes directly within the app. This screen showcases a curated selection of clothing items, accessories, and more. Users can browse through different categories, view detailed product descriptions, and make purchases seamlessly. Once our user has seen something they like, we can go to the product card screen. Here, we see key information about specific items of clothing. Here we see an example of a beautiful tulle dress, which demonstrates how a product image, description, and price will appear in the app. Now let's add this item to our cart and check out. Here, after the user selects an item and taps Add to Cart, the cart icon updates automatically to show the item count. Next, the user proceeds to check out and is prompted to enter payment details, including card number, expiration date, and security code. There's also an option to save payment information for future purchases. Next, the user reviews the order summary, including the items, prices, and shipping details, and then taps on Checkout to place the order. For demo purposes, we're not showing the confirmation page, but that page will appear with the order details and estimated delivery date in the app. Now that we're done shopping, let's check out some style articles in the app. Here we see articles posted from fashion stylists around the world. This section of the app offers expert advice, fashion tips, and the latest trends from professional stylists. Users can read articles to get inspired, learn about new fashion techniques, and stay updated with latest style news. After being inspired by style pointers, we can pop over to our profiles screen. Here, we can manage our personal information, view past posts, and see feedback that we've received. This screen includes a summary of our activity within the app. This has been an awesome experience so far, but I think we need some supercharged fashion feedback. Let's initiate a chat with Mirror Mirror's stylist, known as Dorota. Users can start a chat with Dorota, Mirror Mirror's AI stylist, from the home screen by tapping the Start a Chat button. Users can choose how to interact with Dorota via voice commands or text messages, providing flexibility in how they communicate. Dorota can also pull up previous outfits posted by the user and provide constructive feedback. Dorota analyzes styles, colors, and occasions of past outfits to understand the user's preferences. Dorota also informs the user about the latest fashion trends, including popular colors, patterns, and styles. Based on the user's existing wardrobe, Dorota also offers suggestions on how to incorporate these new trends. For example, she might recommend pairing a trendy accessory with a favorite denim jacket or integrating a new scheme into the user's outfit. And Dorota can show images or examples of how new trends can be styled with the user's existing clothes, making it easier to visualize the suggestions. This interactive and personalized chat with Dorota helps users stay fashionable and make the most out of their existing wardrobe while keeping up with new trends. In summary, Mirror Mirror is designed to create a vibrant community where users can share their fashion choices, receive valuable feedback, shop for new clothes, and enhance their style with AI driven recommendations and expert advice from stylists and the world's first AI stylist, Dorota. Thank you for joining this demo. We're excited to see how Mirror Mirror will transform the way the world makes fashion decisions. Mirror Mirror, where fashion meets feedback.